went to his
Best original
bedroom
sound
to
of me.
say goodnight, and he was crying because of the abuse that he was enduring in this school system.
And why did you stay in Mexico?
You need to leave.
Hey, let me get a mint. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold on.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Hold on. This is gonna make a mess.
Go ahead, King.
This is gonna make a mess.
Easy.
Oh no! Our table! It's broken! Well, the table.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Oh, nigga!
My ears burn.
Busy kids all neck up at your door, sir. Let 'em in, let 'em in, let 'em in. Yeah.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet, nigga.
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air. How could his hands do this?
Oh, someone get him out the air.